Hi! Today I will be showing you how to make your own face mask using blue shop towels. According to recent news, these towels can filter particles 2 to 3 times better than cotton can. This study was conducted by 3 clothing designers, and they came to this conclusion after testing dozens of fabrics. Before we get started, I just wanted to issue a disclaimer that these masks are not meant to replace the N95 masks worn by healthcare workers and are designed to be an alternative to the cotton masks that many are wearing to prevent contagion. With that being said, here's what you'll need. 1 10.5 by 11 inch shop towel sheet. 2 rubber bands. Hair elastics would also work. And 1 small pipe cleaner. This is optional, and I purchased mine at the dollar store. The first step is to fold the shop towel in half widthwise. Then, if you choose to do so, take your pipe cleaner and place it in the middle of your towel like so. Optionally, you can also use tape to ensure it does not move. This will act as a nose piece for the mask. Bringing the towel to your sewing machine, line up the folded edge of your towel to the side of the foot. Then begin stitching, ensuring that you backstitch and try to avoid sewing over the pipe cleaner. Do this until you reach the end and then cut the threads. Then repeat the same process on the other side of your towel. Moving on to pleating your mask. First, fold your towel in half. Then, take the side closest to you and fold the edge so it touches the midline. To create the pleat, take the crease you created and line it up to the midline. Then, fold back. You can then pin this in place. For the second pleat, fold the bottom edge up to the midline. Then, pinch in between the midline and the crease you created and fold over to finish your pleats. Similar to before, you can pin the pleat in place. Returning to the sewing machine, line up the edge of your mask to the side of the foot. Then, stitch along the pin side, ensuring you backstitch and remove the pins as you go along. Sew until the bottom, backstitch, then repeat the same on the other side. With your pleats facing downwards, flip your mask like so and grab your rubber bands. Wrap one around the side of your mask and fold inwards, about 1 inch, to secure it on the side. Similar to the steps before, sew down the side of your mask to secure the band. Backstitch at both sides and snip the threads. A completed side should look like this. The final step is to repeat the same to the other side. Now, you should have a completed mask that looks like this. The pipe cleaner acts to secure the nose, and the pleats fold out to cover the entire face. I hope this video showed you how to make an easy disposable mask at home. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe.